A blessed day to all of us. Welcome to our Bible study via social media. Call out to all my co-senior citizens out there. I hope you are all in good health. Now, let us talk about wisdom. How do we live a life of wisdom? Let us ask the Bible, what is God's instruction about wisdom? From Proverbs 4, verses 1 to 7. And it reads, Hear ye children the instruction of a father, and attend to how understanding. For I give you good doctrine, forsaking not my law. For I was my father's son, tender and only beloved in the sight of my mother. He taught me also, and said unto me, Let thine heart retain my words, keep my commandments, and live. Get wisdom, get understanding, forget it not, neither decline from the words of my mouth. Forsake her not, and she shall preserve thee. Love her, and she shall keep thee. Wisdom is the principal thing. Therefore, get wisdom, and with all thy getting, get understanding. So that is what the Bible says about wisdom in Filipino. Dinggin ninyo mga anak ko ang turo ng Ama, at makinig kayo upang matuto ng kaunawaan, sapagkat bibigyan ko kayo ng mabuting aral. Huwag ninyong pabayaan ang aking kautusan, sapagkat ako'y anak sa aking ama, malumanay at bugtong sa paningin ng aking ina. At tinuruan niya ako at nagsabi sa akin, Pigilan ng inyong puso ang aking mga salita. Ingatan mo ang aking mga utos at mabuhay ka. Magtamo ka ng karunungan, magtamo ka ng kaunawaan. Huwag mong kalimutan, ni humiwalay man sa mga salita ng aking bibig. Huwag mo siyang pabayaan at iingatan kanya. Ibigin mo siya at iingatan kanya. Karunungan ay pinakapangulong bagay, kaya't kunin mo ang karunungan. Oo, sa lahat mong kukunin ay kunin mo ang unawa. Ganyan kaimportante, sabi ng Diyos, ang karunungan o wisdom. Pinaka-pangulong bagay. Now next is, where do we get wisdom? Sabi ng Bible, Proverbs 9:10, and it reads, The fear of the Lord is the foundation of wisdom. Knowledge of the Holy One results in good judgment. Yung pagkatakot sa Panginoon, doon nagmumula ang karunungan. It is from the fear of God. Of course, pwede mo rin hingin sa Diyos ang wisdom. Sabi sa James, If any of you lack wisdom, let him ask of God, that giveth all men liberally and upbraideth not, and it shall be given him. In Filipino, ngunit kung nagkukulang ng karunungan ng sino man sa inyo, ay humingi sa Diyos na nagbibigay ng sagana sa lahat at hindi nanunumbat, at ito'y ibibigay sa Kanya. Isa pang paraan on how do we get wisdom. This is good verse for senior citizens like me. Congratulations. Wisdom comes with our age. Job 12:12 to 12:12. With the ancient is wisdom, and in length of days, understanding. In Filipino, nasa mga matanda ang karunungan, at sa kagulangan ang unawa. And finally, what can wisdom give us? Proverbs 19:8, He that get wisdom love his own soul. He that keep understanding shall find good. Siyang nag-iimpok ng karunungan ay umiibig sa kanyang sariling kaluluwa. Siyang nag-iingat ng pangunawa ay makakasumpong ng ng mabuti. May we all have the wisdom that we need. And God bless us all.